Hey you, it's me, and today I'm going to talk about sketches. What is the sketches assignment? This video pertains to you if you are a middle school student at Robinson Middle School. For 2020, all of our activities, assignments, and resources for art class are in Canvas. So in order to figure out what you're supposed to do, you first need to get into your Canvas account. Once you get to your dashboard in Canvas, you're going to click on your art class and open it up. It will take you to this home page. Now right now I'm in the 7th grade art class, but the same thing applies to if you are in 6th grade or in 8th grade. Your home page is designed exactly the same with these buttons right here and the same resources on the side. So once you get into your home page, you need to ask yourself, what is today's date? It is right now October 28th. It could be a different date that you're watching this, I don't know. Ask yourself what date it is and what week are we in. We are in week 2. So in order to figure out what you have to do this week, you need to click on the week button, and it will take you immediately to tell you the assignments that are due this week. These are the 4 assignments that are due this week by Friday. You have a video response that is on the Elements of Art of Line. We did this in class already this week, but you might have done it at home, but that is due by Friday. We have a line artwork that is due by Friday. We have a skill set that involves making lines. You have to open it, follow the directions, and take a photo and submit your work. And every single week we have a sketches assignment. You have one every single week. It is to help you maintain a level of creativity and build your skill with drawing. In order to figure out what to do, you need to click it and read the directions. The directions are always the same every single week. What you're going to do is complete at least 3 different 5-minute sketches. These are sketches that should have enough visual evidence and details to conclude that you took 5 minutes to draw them. To receive the full credit, this 5-minute requirement must be met. You then want to make sure you upload all 3 images of your 3 sketches into the sketch assignment at the same time. So what can you draw? Okay, I've got to do 3 5-minute sketches. What do I do? Well, you can draw anything you want, basically. You can draw from your own imagination. You can draw your own personal interests. You can study things in your environment. You can draw a couch and a TV, whatever you can see at home or in the classroom. You can also use this 101 drawing ideas link. You can also go to this Drago Art link that's basically like an online how to draw book full of thousands of images you can choose from. You can do your 5-minute sketches on paper, or you can even do them digitally using the Kaliki Art app, the Pixel Art app, or the Sketchpad app. So you've got lots of options and lots of things. The goal is that you are using your own creativity, you're building your drawing and sketching habits, and just building your skill with drawing. So once you have your 3 sketches and you photograph them and you've got your image files on your Chromebook, or if you used an app over here, a digital app, you saved a file of your image either by screenshotting it or downloading it as a PNG or a JPEG file. Then you want to submit them at the same time. So you click the Submit Assignment button, and then down here you got to choose a file. So my computer looks different than yours. You should have an option here that says Images. If you click it, it'll pull up the latest photos that you took, your latest files. but mine is different. I actually have to go to downloads, and I have to, let me pull this down so you can see it. I have to search the title. So all of my sketches start with 2020. So I just type in 2020 and I want to load that sketch. There it is. So I got to do all three at the same time. I click add another file, choose file. For me, I have to search it, but again, you just click your images button and it will help you. There's another one. I'm going to add file, choose file. Let me get my picture. I'm going to choose this one and then hit open. And there are my 1, 2, 3 sketches for the week. Once you have them all in there, hit submit assignment. Hooray, it did it. So let's say you accidentally submitted your assignment. Let me slide my recording bar over here. Let's say you accidentally submitted 2 sketches and you forgot one. Well, you only can submit one time. And the reason why I locked it to submitting one time is because if you resubmit, it erases whatever you put in there before. So if you need to add something, if you forgot something, you need to fix it, then you have to go over here after you've submitted your work and hit submission details. You click on it. This shows you what you've sent to me, but you can add a comment. I forgot one sketch. This is good for if you forget your responses, you add them in here. And then you have this option, let me slide this over, for attach a file. You hit attach a file, you choose a file. Then you got to find your image. I forgot this one, let's say. Throw it in there, there it is, and save. So that will send me the file. It'll be linked in a message to your assignment. So that is how it works. That's what Sketches is. That's how you look for and upload your sketches all together. And I hope this answers your questions about that. So be creative, and I'll see you soon.